Hi guys, I'm going to be unboxing the Hegen newborn starter set today. As you can see, the packaging is really pretty and it's just really inviting me to open it. This is a welcome message, which is really sweet. And ta-da! As you can see, it's a complete set of bottles that they have. They have a set of the 8-ounce one, which comes in a pair. And then they also have the 5-ounce one, which comes in a set of 4. They also included 2 breast-like teats. As well as this food storage converter, which you can just easily remove the lid and exchange it, and it can be used to keep your food. And then there's also 2 boxes of this white collar and transparent cover, which is used to basically keep your bottles clean as you transport them around. So yep, this is the newborn set, and just overall really pretty. I also got this one, which is the 5-ounce one. They have it in here, but I wanted to get more bottles so that I can just easily store them into the fridge instead of transferring them to breast milk bags. So this one, when you get it separately, this one comes with the white collar already. So it comes with the teat and also this thingy. Yep. So I'm so excited. I cannot wait to wash them, sterilize them, and then use them when baby comes out.